unboxing here for you guys. And as you can see, we got the Vornado, like tornado wind tower fan. Now this is one mighty and powerful tower fan here. We're going to take a look at it, see how powerful it is, see if it's worth the $100. Originally $140 price tag. Right now this fan is on sale everywhere for $99.99. Amazon, Bed Bath & Beyond, Home Depot, anywhere you look you'll see it's the same price there. Now this is different than a lot of other tower fans as it does not oscillate there, so it does not turn side to side. As you see in my last video, we reviewed the Lasco 42-inch wind curve tower fan. That was an oscillating tower fan. Now what Vornado has done here is created something what's called V-Flow. V-Flow airflow technology, where you can see that the tower is curved to create a constant flow for the whole entire room without having to oscillate. Huge advantage. That way you have constant airflow regardless of where you're sitting, and unlike an oscillating fan, that airflow comes and goes. You get it for a couple seconds and then a couple seconds again. So we'll go ahead and open it up. It does have a remote, some nifty features to go over. Whole room circulation, remote which you can control the timer, and the power of course. Alright, now that we got the fan unboxed here, you can see not real big. You get a little bit heavier than the Lasco fan. Definitely feels a little bit more solid, more sturdy unit. It's about $25–30 more expensive than the Lasco fan, so it certainly should be quite a bit better there. Now on the top of the fan you'll notice that there's 3 key buttons. You have your speeds, again 4 speeds, you have your on and off, and you have your timer. So we just got the fan turned on. Now it's the middle of the summer, super hot, and this is totally going to help. So you've got the airflow, curvature coming out of here, whole room circulation, keep you nice and cooled off during the summer. Highly recommend this fan. You can check out the other reviews. You'll notice it's got pretty much a 5-star rating all over. It's got a little magnet top there for the remote, and this has been a review and unboxing of the Vornado 41-inch tower fan. Very powerful, very light, very easy to set up. Highly recommend. I thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe. More tech videos coming every week. Make sure to like this video, and I'll see you guys on the next video.